birthday. It's just that I've been going through a lot. It's fine. You can go now. Thank you.
I know who I be.
Thank you very much. I must say this is nice. Thank you. And just on the right thing.
Put this mango in the fridge a little bit. Matter of fact, it was in the freezer.
I know what my stuff's in the so
Yep.
this is a good sandwich for that.
So it tastes good.
Thank you. You both need a kiss couple.
Even the skin tastes nice, you feel me? That's that juice. Rich.
So the plan is to start people. Is that it? No, it just happened. Okay, see the thing is, when I get close to her, I'll
It's my world.
tell her. I know you.
Rich.
Or maybe Jerry will just wake up and everything goes away. You really believe that?
It's that rich.
That miracle will just happen and Jerry will just wake up. I have faith. Have faith. You also not person was not finished now before you come to get faith. You have faith.
Not sharing.
It's just that I've been going through a lot. It's fine. You can go now.
Not sharing.
Thank you very much. I must say this is nice. Thank you. And just on the right, you can also make a crab pop or something.
Not right
I'm
now.
not sure about that. I know what my stuff's in the office. So this
Soon
is
though.
a sandwich for that.
You feel me?
It's good. Thank you. You
That's
both
it.
need a kiss couple.
That's it. That's it.
Bad idea.
It's a wrap.
Why didn't you just tell her?
I got something after this though.
Gross.
Excuse me just a second. Yeah, I'm back in the building.
Gross.
About to get rid of this mess that I made. You feel me?
You think it's that easy? Oh, so the plan is to start people. Is that it? No. It just happened.
Juice. Be back in a
Okay,
second.
it was really nice. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. So, how much is it going to cost us for you to supply us breakfast for the next quarter? Excuse me. Oh, thank you so much. Sorry. I can't do it. Why? Nothing. I just can't do it. My business is a small, just a small business.
Chill, y'all know who I be. Educate yourself, then state yourself, you know what I mean?
Okay?
Surviving Corona. That's what we doing.
No buts. I insist. The supply has breakfast for the next quarter. Agreed?
Peace to my family, friends, and fans. Stay safe. It is what it is, you feel me? For sure.
Hi.
Life is to live, it ain't to die for.
Something could happen today.
Educate yourself, then state yourself. Take a look in the mirror and rate yourself. It is what it is, man.
I received a mail.
I want to give a big shout out to Daddy Swag, man. Make sure y'all get this, man. For them real fathers out there. You know what I mean? Or you could be a father to someone, you know what I mean? Daddy Swag. All with intelligence, you know what I mean? We doing what's right. We protecting the family by any means.
Please call me when you get this message.
Knock life in the building. To all out there, just follow the procedures. Do what they say. Don't go against the grain. Unless you know that your life is in danger, then who am I to tell you anything after that? Just stay focused. The Gideon is on. To all my brothers and sisters, stay healthy, man. Get that workout on in your surroundings. You know what I mean? In your social distance. Don't let the time do you, you do the time. Turn your body into a machine. Slowly but surely, we got all the time in the world. I'm doing my little bit. You know what I mean? Taking care of mine. I want you to do the same. You know what I mean? If you got hate in your heart, get it out, throw it away.
Just know that we had won that war for best
It ain't about that right now. Each one teach one. I need you, you need me.
Please call me when you get this message.
Respect your neighbors. If you don't want to love no one, you don't have to love no one, but respect carry you a long way. Now is the time more than any to educate yourself and state yourself. Everything is there at your disposal now. Take it all in, dissect, let it out. I'm here, wife on the couch, son in the room playing games. Peace to Pop Gotti. That's my junior. Stay safe, son. That's my word. Peace to Far Rockaway. To my family, friends, and fans in the rock. Y'all stay safe, man. Family first. It is what it is. Y'all know who I be. Make sure y'all support the music on all digital platforms, you feel me? Spotify, Tidal, Knock Life, that's the name. KNOCKLIFE. Y'all know who I be. Sentia Labreeze by Knock Life. Topics by Knock Life. Summer is Here by Knock Life. Music is life. All I need is your support, and I'm on my way. That's right. Each one teach one. I'm on all digital platforms. Just look me up. I'm a music dealer. Some songs you may like, some songs you might not. It is what it is. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Knock Life TV and Knock Life Music. For sure. Run over there right now, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It is what it is, you know what I mean? Let's get it popping. Let me see your support.
You ask me for
Let me feel it.
something.
For sure.
If you know me, but I can't stand to see me. You can ask your husband. Is everything alright?
And don't forget to support that YouTube channel called Common Life So Cool. Run over there right now. Everyone, just run over there right now. Check it out.
I'm thinking.
Make sure y'all hit that notification bell, thumbs up, all that. Subscribe, like, share, comment down below. You know the routine. Let's get it pop. Knock life. I'm just here holding the vibe, you know what I mean? We inside. Support Daddy Swag Clothing. It is what it is, man. I'm a good father. I got 2 new singles coming. Black and Blue and Switch. Look out for that. Yeah, I know who I be, man. Music is life. Support Knock Life. Support every and anything that has to do with Knock Life. Why? Because it's all positive. You know what I mean? Negativity don't get you nowhere. Yeah, just like that. So support me. Educate yourself and state yourself. I'm out. Daddy Swag.